Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is k is multiplied by 3 times and it is divided by k plus k is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here you see that k is multiplied by 3 times, so we write it as k cubed, and it is divided by, here k is added by 3 times, and we write it as 3 times of k, and this whole equation is equals to 3. And now further in the next step, here we need more simplifications. And here we move the term, this is 3k, from left hand side to the right hand side. So when we move this term to the right hand side, it is multiplied by this 3, and this will be written as k cubed is equals to, this is 3 multiplied by 3 becomes here 9, and this is our k. And now in the next step, we move the term 9k from a right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as k cubed minus 9k, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see that both of these two terms involve k, so that we will be take common k from here, and when we take common k, we get the remaining values are k minus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k is equals to 0, and the second case is we write k minus 9 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move this 9 to the right hand side, and we get the value of k is equals to plus 9. So these are the two roots of the given equation which we get here in this method. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots be the solution, or is these roots be the extraneous roots. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is k multiplied by k multiplied by k divided by k plus k plus k is equals to 3. So this is our given question statement, and here we have little mistake, and you see here when we take common k, here we get k square. Okay, so this factor becomes k square minus 9, and when we move this 9 to the right hand side, it will becomes k square equals to 9. And from here, when we take square root on both of the sides, then we will get here k is equals to plus minus 3. So you see that here we get there are three roots of the given equation: 0, plus 3, and minus 3. So now here first we will be verify in this side we will be verify k is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify k is equals to plus minus 3. So we need to verify both of these roots of the given equation. uh, and now first we verify k is equals to 0, and when we verify k equals to 0, we substitute it into the left hand side, and it will be written as 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0 divided by 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 3. So here we will obtain, this is 0 over 0 form is equals to 3, and 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value k is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now here k equals to 0 is not the solution because it is extraneous root. And now here in the same pattern we need to verify the second values of k, so that we substitute k is equals to plus minus 3 to the left hand side, and it will be written as, this is plus minus 3 multiplied by plus minus 3 multiplied by plus minus 3, and it is divided by plus minus 3 and plus minus 3 and plus minus 3 is equals to 3. So here you see that in the upside, plus minus 3 is multiplied by 3 times, so we write it as plus minus 3 and its whole cubed. And in the denominator side, you see that plus minus 3 is added by 3 times, so we write it as 3 times of plus minus 3, and this is equals to 3. So here you see that this plus minus 3 is cancelled out by this 1 plus minus 3, and after cancellation of this value we will obtain plus minus 3 whole square divided by 3 is equals to 3. So in the next step we need more simplifications, and here you see that when we take care of positive term or negative term, so both of these two becomes positive value. So plus minus 3 square becomes positive 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3, and we cancel these terms. This is 3 times 3 becomes 9, and we clearly get here 3 is equals to 3. So this shows that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal, this means that the values k is equals to plus minus 3 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is k equals to plus minus 3. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.